Hello Primary 5, how are you? Hope that you're fine. Today we're going to start speaking about Unit 10, Reading Deep Sea Exploration. Let's start. Now focus on this picture and you're going to read about the land under the ocean and how scientists explore it. Let's see. Out in the ocean, as you see, there are many mountains under the water, just like there are mountains on land. In some other parts of the ocean, there are deep trenches, like this one, and it goes down 11,000 meters. Much of the ocean floor is plain, as you see. Okay, it continues for thousands of kilometers, but there are few animals there. It is difficult to explore the deep ocean. Why? Of course, because the water is heavy, and if a diver was in water 900 meters deep, the weight of the water above him would crash his body. These things are found deep in the ocean, like what? A chimney. It can grow by 6 meters in a year. Oh my God. And these two worms can grow to 2.4 meters tall. So what does it mean by a chimney? With a submersible, scientists can look at the chimneys. Very hot water escapes into the ocean from below the ocean floor. It is so hot that it looks like smoke from a fire. It has tiny bits of rock in it. Gradually, the tiny pieces build a tall chimney like this one. Many animals like living near these chimneys, like this one, the tube worms. Okay? Information you're going to read is in a diagram. Now let's pay attention to this diagram. It has labels, and under each label there is extra information in a short note. Like what? This. What is this animal? If you remember this animal, I said it before, it's a tube worm, okay? It lives near to the chimneys, okay? So what are the parts of this one? The first part is a part that takes the food. It's called the plume, and this one called a tube. And what does it mean by a tube? A tube is a hard shell that protects the worm. And what is this part? It's very a small one. It's called anchor, okay? It holds the worm onto the chimney. The scientists use these machines to explore the land and ocean and seas. Like what? This machine is called robot machine, okay? And this one is operated from a ship. One way to explore the deep ocean is to go down in a submersible. Deeper than 1,000 meters, there is no sunlight at all. The submersible has light so the people inside it can see what is outside. So we can look at pictures of the animals that live in the deep ocean because they are lit up by this machine. Now let's focus on the vocabulary that we have studied today. What does it mean by tube worm? A sea creature that lives in a tube. Tease. What does it mean by tease? Tease is to make fun of someone. Slope. Slope means a gradual rise in the ground. Plain. Plain, a large flat area of land. Plume. Plume means a large long feather. Quest. Search or a long search. Anchor. Anchor is a large piece of metal with hooks that is used to attach a boat to the seabed. What does it mean by chimney? The tall tube on the roof of the house or building where smoke can escape from fire into the air. Before the practice time, I hope that you read the lesson more than one time and try to find the answer for these questions. And now, choose the correct word to complete each sentence. Thank you.